Welcome. So, in this session, we'll talk about some of the most important topics for your psychology examination that could be asked. So, now from the postal material itself, we would be clicking onto the list of topics that would be most important for you. So, in 2019, there was a revised syllabus which was introduced for various subjects under the UGC NET examination, and we have seen over the tenure that questions which have been introduced as per the revised syllabus in 2019 have become really important in the form that the questions from those sections are often on asked. For example, academic psychology in India and its development has been one of the very important topics. Every time we expect one or two questions from this section. The thoughts and the evolution in psychology, the positivism, post-positivism, modernism becomes important. Then under the various topics under personality and motivation, Rotter's locus of control, a very important topic. Seligman is asked, of course, every year, so prepare this well. Seligman and Kohlberg, both of them are asked every year, so prepare these topics well. Then ACT theory, very important. In the recent classes that we have covered ACT extensively, which actually belongs to positive psychology if we talk into comprehensive detail about it. But yes, the acceptance and commitment theory is one of the major therapies which have been asked in your recent examination. So prepare these list of therapies well. Now again, positive psychology has positive psychotherapy, which is again very important. Under the areas of well-being, health and compromising health behaviors, the lifestyle diseases like heart attack, diabetes, hypertension have become important. Then topics related to cancer, HIV are again important ones. So these were from the list of new topics. If we talk about the conventional topics, again there are numerous topics that are really important. So those become the major chapters, I would say, are the methods of psychology, where the various methods ranging from sociometry, situation therapies, then the research methods, applied section on research, so F test, Z test, very important, chi-square, these are commonly asked. Biopsychology, again a very important topic. Under perception, pain perception theories and signal detection, SDT theories have been asked off and on, so very important, must to cover. So those were some of the brief guidelines, and of course once you get the complete material, you would get an overview of what is really important. For more information, call us on the number below. Thank you.